Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to add wallet in CPEN Network. So first thing you're going to need to do is go to MetaMask because that is what we're going to be using right now. So just switch to Smart Chain, but if you don't have the Smart Chain in here, you can add it manually by tapping on the Add a Custom Network. So since we already have it, we're going to tap on it and just click on this and make sure to copy the wallet address. So we're gonna tap on this one. Now once we've copied the wallet address, we're gonna go to CPEN application and tap on the wallet and just tap on the BSC wallet and we're gonna paste it in here and tap on saved address. And as you can see, it's already successful. The wallet is already added to the CPEN network. And that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!